Hi, Hernandez. It's DoomFlash23, and I'm back again with another video. Today we're doing another LEGO review. We're doing it on the LEGO City Police Helicopter. This set was pretty fun to build when I got it. But we're gonna do a body. We're gonna do the helicopters. Sorry, I just woke up. We're gonna put that out to the side. Here's the manual. Pretty nifty looking. It's a pretty nifty looking manual that it needed to be fixed because the gun got ripped. It's kind of it. It's like a manual. It's nothing really that special. I don't have that set. I don't have that. I don't even know if I have that, but I do have this one. That fire truck. I don't have that. Don't have that. Don't have that. Don't have that. The police station ones. I don't have that. Don't have that. Don't have that. Have that. Wish I had that one though. That 18 wheel. It's really cool. And I have this. Dun, 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 dun. That's pretty nifty. That was so cool. And as a matter of fact, you guys, once I have that finished, I want to do all my LEGO City Police Station ones I have together. So it'd be this and the helicopter just together. But yeah, it's gonna look cool. I got a bunch of stuff. Now onto the set. Push that out to the side. Now onto this thing. So the main blade up top spins. If we rotate it sideways, this one here spins too. So also detach this one. It goes so like move these up. For an effect that I think kind of looks cool, but never really kept. The effect's like this. It's like excuse me. Imagine this spinning but faster. It's like be like this but faster. We just need to bring this back down. The only thing missing out of this set is the minifigure. So just give me a second, I'm trying to bring these back down. But you can also take the top, this main one, off. Come on, there we are. There. And then you can take, come on. Yeah, so this is like most of my sets are covered up in dust. Which also reminds me, how do you keep your LEGO sets from getting dust on them? Or can you not do that? Well, you could take this off. It's just difficult to do right now. Did I do it? Yes, I did. Awesome. We're going to do this. There. So this is how you can put the minifigure in here and identify it. These things open up too, so you can like open this, put some cargo in there. You guys briefly saw those handcuffs. And you guys got binoculars. And then here's the, I don't know what this is actually, the thing on the side of them on the helicopter. And then here's the spotlight. Peace.